Hello, Algebra. I am so excited to virtually interact with you tomorrow. I just wanted to give you kind of a heads up of how things will work, or in my head, this is how I'm planning them to work. Who knows if it will or not? We're just going to wing it, because this is a learning curve for all of us. So we're just going to be patient with each other and go from there, okay? So tomorrow, when our class period starts, which I think is at 10, I believe, I will post in Google Classroom. So come to our Google Classroom and I'll post our calendar for the week. We're only meeting once, but I'll post the calendar here. So pretend this is the link, click it, and then it's going to bring you to this page here. Okay, so this is our calendar for the first week. We are only meeting tomorrow because it's a short week, so the date would be Wednesday, April 1st. Our lesson is graphing quadratics. And now here's your video lesson. So it's kind of like when I'm gone, when I've been gone during the school year and there's a sub and you watch a video lesson. So that's kind of how we're going to do things here. So you're going to click on the link, and I hate to say it, but we're just going to go old school. You're going to grab a sheet of paper and a pencil, and pretty much whatever I write down, you write down. I figured it was fair since I wasn't able to give you, this is me telling you that you're going to see a lot of my hand. Since I don't have the note sheets to hand you like I could every day in class, I figured it's only fair if I handwrite it since you have to handwrite it. So I'll just go maybe to the middle-ish here, if it will load for me. And yeah, whatever I write down, I kind of want you to write it down. And then just save this in your binder like you would our regular notes, okay? I promise I will keep them short and sweet just to save everyone's time and everything else like that. But so that would be your first step tomorrow. So watch the video lesson. Step 2 is after your video lesson, you're going to click on the practice. So your practice is either going to be like a Google Doc and I'll have some problems on there, or maybe our Big Ideas website, or sometimes it's just going to be quizzes like tomorrow, like our quiz. We've done this many times, these quizzes. Click on it. And if you want to keep, you should keep your name, because then I'll give you participation points for doing this. So keep your name so I know it's you. Hit start game. And again, just go through the motions. You guys have done this a million times, right? We love quizzes, but I'll just do a couple questions just so we get the gist of it. What is the y-intercept? So we talk about notes that the y-intercept is where our graph, we learned this is called a parabola, touches the y-axis. So this point here is 0, oops, perfect, 0, 6. So my y-intercept is 0, 6. So 0, 6 is right here. Beautiful, got it right. I'll do one more. Okay, what is the green dot on the parabola called? Again, in our notes, I talk about a lot of vocab. It's just kind of a vocab lesson for us to get used to. But this turning point of a parabola is called the vertex, and our vertex can be either a maximum or minimum, and this is indeed a maximum. Okay, awesome. You do the quizzes. We're going to get out of here. And then when you're done with the quizzes, there is a lesson quiz for you to do. So this is just so I know that you are actually watching the video and like doing the practice. So this is a lesson quiz. It's going to look really similar. I might have even taken questions from this quizzes and put it on a Google form for you. And you're just going to fill it in and go from here. And then it's going to grade it. And then I'm just going to put that grade in for just homework points, okay? So you'll get a grade for doing the practice. So try on it, and then you're going to get a grade for doing the lesson quiz. Now, both of these things here, the practice and the lesson quiz, need to be completed by Friday at noon. So that's when all of our stuff will be due every week, okay? So you get some extra time to work on it. About partway through class, I'll send you an email to join a Zoom if you want to come live, and we can just chit chat, or if you have questions you want to ask me or anything like that. You know, like I said, guys, we're just kind of learning how to do this. I don't know if this is going to work for us. No one knows, right? and you guys are my guinea pigs. You're my period one. So we'll figure it out. Like I always say, we'll figure it out, right? I hope you are doing well. I sincerely miss all of you so much, and I wish we didn't have to do school this way. But I'm excited to hopefully see some of your faces tomorrow, okay? Take care, and I will chat with you soon. Have a good night.